You want up here again? Say hi, buddy. Say hi, everyone. Oh, no, you have to tell them hi. You've already told me hi. Oh, jeez. Anyways, hello, everyone. I am bringing you some new fun Tarte things because I am a lover of all things Tarte makeup. So, of course, I'm sure you're aware that they just launched their new, like, Flower Power, fairy, whatever it is. They just launched that, like, last week, and of course, I had to get it because I'm obsessed with everything Tarte. So I am here because I'm going to be doing my unboxing. This baby just came in the mail. I don't think you're supposed to cut towards yourself, but oops. Alright guys, here it is. Oh my goodness! Okay, now you can get a much better view of this. And first of all, how stinking cute is just this box in general. They outdid me with that mermaid packaging from their last launch. And again, you know, keeping a girl happy with some pink and some glitter sparkles. I mean, yes! It has like a little magnetic closure right there. And then ta-da! It just lifts right up. Okay, as you can see, we have some fairy glitter right here. I'm not going to take this out right now to throw on my face, but some glitter is always nice. It seems like there's stars in there, there's like little diamond patterns. They are all like this corally pink and iridescent-y glitter, so that will be super pretty for like a photo shoot of some sorts. And then we have my ultimate favorite, mascara, is the Lights Camera Lashes, and it is in this super cute pink glittery casing, and it has a little star tassel. It's so cute. Also, we have a new fun special limited edition blush. It is in, what's it called? It's called a Fairy Flush Amazonian Clay. So I am wearing currently right now, I love the Tarte blushes. Right now I'm currently wearing the Tarte blush, and I'm not gonna lie, inside of this palette, it looks very similar to the Party, which is what I have on my cheeks right now. But I know I absolutely love this casing. It's so, so cute with the chrome pink and the glitter top. Ah! And next up is the eyeshadow palette. You have this cute little ring of like a flower right there for you in all of the shades. There's basically, let's see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 metallics, including, well, I guess maybe 5. It could be a shadow, or it could even count as like a highlight there in the center. And then we have 6 matte colors, which I love a good matte. I love metallic, but I find that metallic I only ever wear for like that middle portion of my eyelid, because I like just the matte look for like the crease and the under eye, not the under eye, the under the eyebrow, you know, for the archway. So yeah, I feel like I get more wear out of the matte colors, but these are all super, super pretty. And lastly in this set are the fabulous brushes that have the cute little star bottoms on them. I just love me some brushes, and they are so incredibly soft. Like, that's one thing that I love about the Tarte brushes. They're so, so soft. Then let's get into this one. The only thing I wish it would say, because it's like, I'm a makeup junkie, like I love me some makeup, but I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know everything, like the in and outs of every little detail as far as like when it comes to brushes and makeup, like for whatever you're using it for. Like, I just like to play around. Like, I mess with stuff. I'm a performer, so like I'm in makeup 24/7 pretty much. And I just like to play, and what works for me, it works. So I just wish, basically, coming back to the brushes, I wish it said it like somewhere on here, like what this brush is, because honestly, I don't know. Like, it's nice little tapered, but it's so fluffy that I don't really know what this would be for, because like, I don't know. Like, maybe highlight, maybe for the nose, under eyes, possibly. And then we have this little like flat palette eyeshadow brush, pretty much. It comes to like a little triangle point. That's really nice. Definitely would get use out of that one. And then another, this is basically like a little bit fluffier of like a triangle or angled brush. And one more. All I know is that they're really, really soft, and I like that a lot. Okay, and rounding up this unboxing are two of the new shades from this release of their lipstick. I had to get it in pink Tutu. So to be honest, I've never used a Tarte lipstick before, so we will, oh, I just broke my nail. That sucks. Darn it. Stupid lip case being so packed in there nice and tight. Anyways, I wanted to try them out because they look really creamy and hydrating, and I like a nice matte lip, but at the same time, they dry these little kissable lips out so much that sometimes I just want something that's hydrating. So these looked like they would do the job there. Pink Tutu comes in this cute little teal tube with the hearts on them. And, oh, it's like paper coating. That's odd, but okay. Yeah. Anyways, this is the pink Tutu, and it seems just like a nice dusty rose, like a nice mauvey berry color. Something, you know, that I would really wear because it's definitely in my color palette. The Melon Punch, which this one is in a cute little watermelon tube. This one, you can definitely see that it is like super corally. Watermelon is the perfect name for it. It's probably like on the lighter side, not as like bold, but it's definitely going to be like you got some coral lips on. And I'm really excited to try this baby out for summer. I think I'm gonna love it. I'm so excited. All right, y'all, and that wraps up my unboxing of my new Tarte goodies. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. I mean, I broke a nail for you all, so it would be really great if you could just give me a thumbs up, please. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that little bell right there. That way you always stay notified whenever I upload a video. If you have any questions, you want to know more information about these Tarte goodies, or any question at all, anything that you want to see, please leave me all of that information down there below in that comment section. As always, I will have every single thing, all of these items linked below for you to shop. Those are clickable links for you to shop that will take you directly to the site to get those goodies, and it is helping me because I do get a small commission off of those sales. But again, I do all this stuff for you. I want to share this for you because I like doing it personally, and what else am I gonna do? So I appreciate all of your support and any help you can throw my way as well. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Bye.